What you gonna say?
Dito kami sa chicken factory.
That's
Available in
wings.
live chicken. Ayun.
Chicken wings.
Pakita mo. Ayun, live chicken.
Live.
Chicken. Before, live before.
So this is the live chicken.
Before.
Tapos ka na?
Mangkan.
Ayun ah.
Ang sarap ang minamlam.
Parang ano lang.
Inside.
Parang lechon lang sa atin.
Mas masarap to nga.
Andoks.
Siksik, liglig, at kuliglig. Na-activate mo na yun.
Nabiyag. Nakakain ng 100K. Ay.
Saan galing yung 100K?
Sarap. That's it? Pansit?
Ang mura ng chicken nila buo, 68 without rice.
Ngayon,
16 yung rice. 16, ganito. Isang bucket mo yun.
late pala yun.
Okay na. Ito, binili namin.
Cholesterol
May
pa.
libre ng ano. Oh,
Cholesterol.
good for two, but it's good for us three.
Paalam ka na.
Bye-bye.
That's it for today. For today's video.
Kung nagugutom ka na, I hope you can taste it soon. Mahuli ka na. Sa chicken factory.
Where is it located?
Pitford.
Pitford, guys.
First floor.
North Point yan, guys.
Pagpasok mo, may pintuan. Tapos escalator.
Bye-bye.
Bye.